How to use one key cache on Vrbo. So if you want to use this, first you need to sign in to your one key account, which is the shared rewards your system gets for Vrbo, Expedia, hotels.com, depending on which website you are using. But anyways, you can do it here and sign in. If you want more information about one key, you could press that and then just sign in from here afterwards. Well, once you've done that, just go ahead and find a property you're going to book that supports one key cache. So it's going to be found in the checkout section. You can go ahead and explore over here, but again, you can manually find it inside the checkout section. So we're gonna go ahead and try one over here. And if you were signed in properly, this should just appear. I didn't have to do anything else. It just automatically applied. So it's going to be for the bookings that does support one key cache. So we have this, the key cache offer. We can go ahead and press on get started by pressing here, and this should apply the one key cache as well. So simply apply your one key cache and complete the rest of the payment using a card. So put in your information of your card as well. And it's important to know that not all Vrbo listings accept it. Some hosts process payments differently, and it usually only works on eligible pay now bookings. And also, one key cache isn't withdrawable as real cash. It can only be used for travel bookings across Vrbo, Expedia, and hotels.com. So log in, pick an eligible property, apply your balance at checkout, and then just pay the rest. Then finally the easy discount on your next trip. But that's pretty much how one key cache works and how you can use it. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.